everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to write a song fast. These will be easy instructions, so let's get right into the video. If you want to write a chorus to a song or many verses to a song, this is the video for you. These methods will allow you to do it super fast. There are simply 4 easy steps that you need to follow, and they're super easy. So step number 1 is think of a topic. What is your song about? I'm going to use the topic of basketball for the song that I'm going to make up, that I have made up for preparing for this video. Step number 2. So once you have your topic, which I chose basketball, you can move on to step number 2, which is think of 5 main words or more that relate to the topic. So the topic of basketball, the 5 words that I thought of really quickly, this was all done on the spot, were hoop, shoot, dribble, foul, and 3, okay? As in 3-pointer. Shoot as in shoot the ball in the net. Dribble as in what you do with the ball. You know, you get the idea. Those are my 5 words, okay? Once you've done that, you've thought of the topic and 5 words that are related to the topic. Step number 3 is to think of rhyming words for each of those 5 words. So for hoop, I came up with hoop, loop, droop, troop, and just, you know, anything, right? It's like you can literally think of absolutely any words that relate to it. So for instance, foul, right? It could be towel, right? Or I could say like, you're fouling me, I'm gonna make you throw the towel in me in the court, on the court, whatever, like throw the towel in, like give up, right? So I just came up with that right now. But essentially you want to come up with rhyming words for each, okay? Once you have those rhyming words, step number 4 is you can just use those words to form the song. So get your rhyming words and place them towards the end of each sentence, or in the middle, but try and keep the placement the same. I wrote this on the spot, literally as I was getting ready for the video, okay? Like this could be a verse, right? You never know. Hey, if you are a famous artist, a famous musician, and you want to do a collab, you want me to like write a song for you, reach out, bro. We can make this happen. Reach out, sis. We can make this happen. Okay. This is what I came up with on the spot. I'm pretty impressed with it. Okay. As I make my way to the hoop, I'll throw you for a loop and make your mouth droop. As I shoot the ball and you think I'm gonna fall, that's not how it's gonna be. But I'll tell you what you'll see is me scoring that 3, and then I'll make it to TV. And that was just literally on the spot based on rhyming words. And you could just repeat this, and it doesn't have to be that, like, you know, structured, right? This was extremely structured. It doesn't have to be that structured. It's just an example, but this is definitely how you can start getting ready to write your song. And that's it. And honestly, if you make a top hit and you watch this video and it helped you out, just, you know, shout me out. I'll really appreciate it. But yeah, that's basically it. That's how to write a song fast. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.